Okay.
Hi guys, we're standing here with my S-ECO 1014. Just picked it up from RMT about a week ago. We put over 80 hours on it already. It's a fantastic machine. Great features. Easier to use than some of the other saws out on the market. I've used plenty of saws on the market. Hands down the best saw. Pivots, outrageously ideal to use. I have no issue cutting heavy angles. Dropsa. I was a little nervous about Dropsa at first. It is fantastic. We don't have, you see these water stains on the floor. We don't get that anymore. Very clean unit. Keeps the blade cool, keeps my material clean. Everything's cut perfect. As far as I'm concerned, if you don't own one of these, you're wasting your time. Great machine.